It all started here when I rode my favorite, also very expensive earphones, which made my budget tighter and my wallet lighter. I had three options: use my uncomfortable earphones which came with my phone, buy a cheap unbranded or knockoff earphone which are highly unreliable, or I could go with these Philips earphones, which I did, and to be honest, I haven't looked elsewhere ever since. Which is why I'm sharing my review of Philips SHE1405. Let's start. Looking at the build, we find a complete plastic body. At the back, it has been given a metallic accent, where it bears the Philips branding. I would have appreciated actual metal to be there. This earphone is fairly light in the hands. It comes in two colors, black and white, but I like the white more. Other than that, the earphones is your usual run of the mill and doesn't ask for much attention. The wire is 1.2 meters long, and yes, it does get tangled, but it should be fine for most users. At the middle, we have a microphone which is very much usable for calls. We also have a button which can be used to pick up and end calls, and also functions as the plain pause button. It has a very tactile feedback which makes it feel very high in quality. Although I should mention that my previous unit's button did start malfunctioning after a while. The earbuds that come with it are pretty basic. They do grip the ears well and are comfortable to some extent. I have watched movies and TV shows with these, and in my experience I have been able to use them for more than an hour without any discomfort. Now let's get to the most important part of the review, the sound quality. And I have to say that I'm pleasantly surprised. The earphones perform really well whatever I throw at it. The bass and treble are almost always on the point. There is some level of noise isolation present. It is quite a delight to listen to music with these. However, I felt the bass lacked the depth which I would find in my much more expensive PX80s. And it should be noted that it's a headphone. For example, when I heard the song Something Just Like This on both of them, I could hear the clarity of Sennheiser while the Philips was high on treble and not having a balanced sound. But the difference isn't much noticeable, or the test wasn't scientifically conducted. The major difference which made me aware of the very price tag of the earphones was gaming. The drivers just couldn't hold up during gaming. Now, sound is subjective. What might sound right to me will not to you most probably. But would I recommend Philips SHE1405? Yes. Now, I do know that it falls apart on some areas, but it's the best earphone that you can buy under $10, and it's probably the best piece of tech that you can buy under $10. It has been very reliable to me and I love using it. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. The link to these earphones will be in the description below, and I'm Arun Chaudhary and I will see you next week. Bye.